is how to add a new Google account to iPhone. So first of all, open up settings, then scroll all the way down. In the very bottom you will see apps. Proceed to it. Next step, in search you should enter mail and open mail. First option, mail accounts. Tap on it, then tap on add account. Select Google, and of course next step you should fulfill all these. Enter your mail or phone, tap on next, enter your passcode, and then proceed, and it will show your Google account. When you see mail accounts, you will see here your new Google account.